If you want to see how I made these awesome tie-dye jeans, then be sure to keep on watching. What is goodeth, fashion peopleth? For 'tis I, the curliest of brown boys, and today we shall doeth a DIY. I'm just kidding, guys. You know, it's your curly haired brown boy, and I am back at it again with another great video for you guys. I'm the Prince, and today, guys, I am so hyped. Today we will be doing some tie-dye. Yes, I am so excited to do this video. I've been wanting to do this video, and so today we'll do it. You know, this is part of my DIY series, and you should totally go check it out, guys. I'll leave a card right here. You can just go click it and watch all those videos. So I got the young setup. It's all here. It's all ready for you guys and everything you need to follow along. I got some bleach right here and just some rubber bands. I got a couple of fabric dyes to dye the fabric. I got some gloves and a fork.
What the fuck?
The fork? Yes, if you've watched my previous videos, you know exactly what this fork is for. Some cardboard, and finally a pair of jeans. I'm using some gray jeans today, and so guys, if you guys are ready, then hey, let's do it. What's good, guys? Welcome once more to my backyard. And so we will be doing the whole process outside because we don't want to mess inside and for safety reasons. So the first thing we're gonna start off with is some safety tips. Okay, so number one, gloves, guys. Be careful and wear gloves because you're gonna be working with bleach today. You need to wear gloves and take care of your skin. If you have a really strong bleach, I also recommend some eyewear. My bleach is not too bad, so I won't be. And so the idea is we're gonna take this pair of gray pants, and it's really light gray, so we're gonna just completely bleach one side, make it white, and then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna tie-dye, go absolutely crazy, just have fun and just be as creative as I can and really just customize these pants. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's start with the bleaching. So I got my gloves. I got my little sanitizer bottle that has full of bleach so that I can evenly and more precisely distribute my bleach. So let's check out right here. We're gonna go ahead and bleach the right pant leg. So here we go, and we're really just gonna go ahead and get started. So I don't have any cardboard in between the pant leg because basically I want the whole pant leg back and front to get full of bleach. And now I'm just gonna keep putting bleach and distributing it all around evenly. I'm using the glove to do that, and it's already starting to change color. I think I'm gonna leave it quite long because I want it to actually turn white. The method I was trying seemed like it was taking really long, so what I'm doing now is actually putting the pant leg in a bucket. I'm just gonna pour bleach inside the bucket and let it sit and let all the color just come out. So yeah, I think this is going to be much faster and work a lot better. So this is what I'm doing instead. Okay, so I'm busy bleaching the pants, and the pants unexpected.
Stop it. Get some help.
Unexpectedly and turned orange, but I'm leaving it to dry up. I really put a lot of bleach. I'm just gonna let it soak in and keep on dyeing until it gets as light as it can. So this is how it's looking right now. As you can see, it's looking very orangey, but it is becoming lighter. It is becoming more of a white. And so what I've done here is I've just completely bleached one leg, and then I bleached the waistband of it on both sides, and I did do the back side, and I bleached both pockets as well. So we're gonna wait, we're gonna leave that to dry, rinse it out, and then get to tie-dyeing.
2 hours later.
So guys, here you go, here we go, right here. I finished bleaching, I even rinsed it out already, and as you can see, right here, I bleached this whole leg. It's looking like a really light pink, and I think it's looking really good. I don't think you'll get any lighter than this. And on this leg, it spilled. The bleach, it spilled while I was rinsing it onto this leg. But it is what it is, and we're just gonna have to continue and work with it. I think it just gives it a very more like tie-dye DIY look. So from here we're gonna go ahead. I have all my fabric colors right here. I got red, blue, green, yellow, purple, and I actually mixed all these dyes myself using a powdered dye. I actually only had the 3 primary colors, and I even made more colors. So if you guys want to know how I did that, just drop it in the comments and I'll make a whole video on just how I mix dyes. So let's go and get to tie-dyeing. So now what we're gonna do is real quick, we're just gonna cut up pieces of cardboard that will fit inside the pant leg of the jeans, so that when I do my tie-dyeing, the colors don't bleed through onto the other side.
I am the one, the way your son don't need it.
So I'm just gonna go ahead, cut up some pieces and put it in. I'm just gonna put in the cardboard, put it nicely into the pants so that the dye doesn't bleed through. Okay, I'm just gonna do the top, and yeah, I guess we are ready to go. So now we're gonna get to tie-dyeing, and if you stuck around, now you're gonna know what this fork is for. So we're gonna go ahead right now, and actually I'm gonna put my fork around here, and I'm just gonna start twisting it. Just hold my fabric down so it starts spiraling really nicely. Move this, and there we go. So here we go. I have my spiral. Now I'm gonna get my elastic. Here it is, and we are just gonna go ahead and we're gonna tie this up so that it can stay nicely in place. Okay, there we go. There we go, got my spiral right there. Okay, now next what I wanna do is around here, I want to actually do some sort of crunching kind of gathering effect to see how that would look when I use the dye. Take my elastic here just to keep it nicely like that. And then I think here at the top, I'm just gonna be kind of creative and just go and splash the dye out around a little bit. Okay, so I moved my cardboard out a little bit because the bottom half, we don't actually need cardboard, and then we only need it here. So what I'm doing, I'm making these pinches. I don't have any more elastic, so I'm just gonna take some thread and use some thread to just tie this up together. Okay, so as you guys can see, I finished up my design. I put my pattern onto the pants, and now I am so hyped. I'm getting so excited.
Vegeta, what's wrong with you? Tell me what his hype level is.
It's over 9,000! 9,000? You gotta be kidding me! There's no way that could be right!
I'm ready for this. I'm a little nervous, but I'm ready for this. So let's just go for it. I'm gonna start off with some real quick just went and put the other leg in a plastic bag. Because we're using the color, it was splashing around and a few drops got on it. I hope it didn't dye it, but we'll see. And I'm just gonna continue out here, continue throwing around some colors. Now I'm really just going all abstract on it. I'm really just gonna go all abstract and just go crazy with all the colors that I have. Okay, so I moved on to the back, and now we're just gonna continue doing the back side of it. It's actually looking really good. I'm really having so much fun just doing this, guys. Okay, let's just keep going all crazy on it. So guys, here we go. It's looking crazy. I'm loving it. I'm absolutely, I just went all abstract on these pants. All abstract. Just went crazy with the colors. Just went, it's all like hella random, but I think it looks really cool. Here you can see the back. Some color went onto the gray, which is okay. It is what it is, you know, it's all part of the DIY. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna leave these to dry, let the color settle in for 24 hours. So when you're doing this, allow your color to sit onto the pants for 24 hours before washing it out or anything, so that it really stays. And so tomorrow, I'll come back and show you guys the end product and how it looks. I'm so excited to see. So yeah, and I'll catch you guys in a moment.
2,000 years later.
So guys, I'm back. It's been a whole day. The pants have dried overnight and I'm loving it. The pants are looking really good, and I want to show you guys how the whole outfit looks. So check it out. You guys enjoyed watching me do this DIY. I had so much fun doing it. It was really amazing, and I think the pants came out so great. The only thing is that they did come out a little bit lighter than I expected. The colors weren't as dark, and that could be due to maybe the pants weren't white enough or the colors weren't strong enough. But I will definitely do another DIY, so keep out for that. Maybe I'll do some tie-dye shirts, something like that. But other than that, I'm really happy with the end product. And guys, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit those notifications so that you guys will be the first to know when I drop a new video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate everybody that watches my videos. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.